Good day, sir. Good day, classmate. Today, before we start our discussions about the UMS and documentations, first we introduce ourselves. I'm Midshipman Mercer Eljan E. and my fellow midshipman.
Good day everyone, I am Midshipman Kinsay, Prince Christwell M.
I'm Midshipman Riquelias Jerwin B.
Good day everyone, I am Midshipman Soljan Leonard A.
I am Midshipman Mercado Kuyan James.
Hello guys, I'm Midshipman Mauricio Gian Michael T.
And I'm Midshipman Ramos Denver Allen A.
I'm Midshipman Manto Ivan Ray R.
So today, we discuss about SOLAS Chapter 2-1, UMS and documentations. First, what is UMS? UMS is an unattended machinery species, and my fellow classmates will discuss that. And the next is UMS safety challenges, documentation requirements, certifications and authority, and importance of documentations, case examples, and the last is conclusions. All of these we'll tackle today, and my fellow classmates will discuss these.
So, I am going to discuss the UMS or unattended machinery spaces. Purpose: allows machinery to run without continuous human supervision, relies on automatic alarms, monitoring, and safety system. Reduces manpower, increases efficiency. So UMS or the unattended machinery spaces means that ships' machinery like engines can keep running even when no crew is physically inside the engine room. Instead of people watching the machinery all the time, automatic alarms, sensors, and safety system monitors them. If something goes wrong, the system alerts the crew right away. This setup helps reduce the need for many people in the engine room, saves time, and makes operation more efficient.
Safety challenges. Risk of delayed response in emergency. Without personnel present, fires or flooding in unmanned spaces may not be detected or addressing quickly, increasing danger. Fire and flooding in unmanned spaces. This hazard can escalate rapidly without immediate intervention. Dependence on alarms and sensor. Safety relies heavily on automated systems that may fail or malfunction, risking undetected emergency. Need for strict maintenance and testing. Regular through maintenance and testing of all equipment and safety systems are essential to ensure reliability and early hazard detection.
Documentation requirements: number 1, stability information; number 2, passenger ship damage stability; number 3, cargo ship damage stability; number 4, proof of compliance with subdivision and stability standards.
Certification and authority. In the maritime industry, the certification and authority of a ship plays an important role in ensuring safety and compliance with international standards. These certificates are usually issued by the Flag State Administration or a recognized classification society. The Flag State Administration refers to the government of the country where the ship is registered, while classification societies are independent organizations that set technical standards for a ship construction and operation.
Importance of documentation. Required during inspections and port state control. Documents are needed when inspectors or port authorities check the ship to show that everything is safe and legal. Proof of compliance during audits. Papers show that the ship follows all safety and legal rules during safety or company checks. Missing or invalid certificates, detention or fines. If papers are missing or wrong, the ship can be stopped and the company might have to pay money.
So today guys, I will discuss my part as case example. So, first of all, ships detained for lack of valid stability booklet. Vessels must carry an approved stability booklet to ensure safe loading and stability conditions. Without it, the ship poses safety risk and can be detained by port authorities. And the next one is non-compliance with UMS safety led to machinery accidents. Unattended machinery space, or in short, UMS operations, require strict safety systems. Failure to comply, alarms, emergency procedures can cause accidents, breakdowns, or even fires. And the last one is detentions by Paris MOU, Tokyo MOU due to missing records. So, port state control regimes like Paris MOU and Tokyo MOU require proper documentation like logbooks and maintenance and safety drills. So, missing or falsified records often lead to ship detentions.
Conclusion: UMS improves efficiency but requires strict monitoring. While documentation ensures compliance, safety, and smooth operations, both are essential for ship safety and meeting regulatory requirements. In short, UMS makes work efficient, documentation keeps things safe, and legal both are vital for ship efficiency.
That's all, guys. Thank you for your attentions. I hope you learn about the UMS and documentations. Thank you.